troops stationed in the BRP Sierra Madre in Ayungin Shoal was largely successful. While some essential supplies were seized and dumped overboard by the CCG, our brave soldiers managed to secure the majority of the items that were delivered. The CCG's aggressive and unprovoked interference not only jeopardized the safety and well-being of our personnel, but also violated and established international norms and protocols. Such behavior is unacceptable and undermines efforts to maintain peace and stability in the region. We will continue to carry out our missions with unwavering dedication, ensuring that our troops are well supplied and prepared to defend our nation's interests. The Armed Forces of the Philippines denies the reported allegations of gun pointing by our troops stationed in BRP Sierra Madre LS-57 in Ayungin Shoal to China Coast Guard personnel. Our personnel are governed by the rules of engagement and clearly acted with the highest level of professionalism, restraint, and discipline in the performance of their mission to safeguard our sovereignty and sovereign rights. Foreign vessels that venture dangerously close to our military vessel and in violation of safe distance protocols necessitate heightened vigilance and alertness from our personnel. Hence, our troops were seen on guard because of the CCG's provocative presence near BRP Sierra Madre. We reiterate our commitment to peace and stability in the region, as emphasized by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Any aggressive actions that threaten this peace and the safety of our troops and stations will be met with the necessary and appropriate measures. The AFP remains resolute in our duty to defend our nation and our people against any threat. More on territorial defense operations in the West Philippine Sea will be discussed by our Philippine Navy spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore Roy Vincent Trinidad, after this AFP update. In terms of our major service updates, for the